Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, buckle up. 15 years of C programming have taught me a thing or two. This tutorial aims to equip you with practical advice, common pitfalls to avoid, and some best practices, all sprinkled with illustrative code examples. This isn't just about the syntax, it's about writing robust, maintainable, and understandable C code. The fundamentals, getting the basics right. 1. Understand pointers, the heart of C. Pointers are not just a feature, they're integral to C. Embrace them, don't fear them. They are variables that hold memory addresses. Asterisk declarations asterisk int asterisk ptr, declares ptr as a pointer to an integer. Char argv, is a pointer to a character, commonly used for command line arguments. Asterisk address of operator, and ptr equals and my_int, assigns the address of the variable my_int to the pointer ptr. Asterisk dereference operator, asterisk ptr equals 10, assigns the value 10 to the integer variable whose address is stored in ptr. Asterisk null pointers asterisk null is a special pointer value, usually 0, that indicates the pointer doesn't point to a valid memory location. Always check for null before dereferencing a pointer. Key takeaways asterisk. Asterisk pointers store memory addresses. Asterisk and gets the address of a variable. Asterisk dereferences a pointer to access the value at that address. Asterisk always initialize pointers to null if they don't immediately point to valid memory. Asterisk malloc and free are crucial for dynamic memory management. Always free what you malloc. 2. Master arrays and strings. Arrays in C are contiguous blocks of memory. Strings are simply arrays of char terminated by a null character, \0. Asterisk array declaration asterisk int numbers 5, declares an array of 5 integers. Asterisk array indexing asterisk numbers 0 equals 1, assigns the value 1 to the first element of the array, index 0. Asterisk string literals asterisk hello, world, is a string literal, stored in read-only memory. Asterisk character arrays for strings asterisk char message 20 equals hello, allocate enough space to hold the string including the null terminator. Asterisk standard library functions asterisk use functions from string.h like strcpy, strncpy, strlen, strcmp, and strcat, but be very careful with strcat, buffer overflows are easy. Tinprintf is a safer alternative to sprintf. Key takeaways asterisk. Asterisk arrays are indexed from 0. Asterisk strings must be null terminated. Asterisk use strncpy instead of strcpy to prevent buffer overflows. Always calculate the length of source and destination strings. Asterisk strlen returns the length excluding the null terminator. Asterisk strcmp returns 0 if the strings are equal. Asterisk always allocate enough memory for your strings, including the null terminator. Tinprintf is usually a safer bet for string formatting. 3. Understand data types and type conversions. C is a strongly typed language. Be aware of the sizes and ranges of data types. Asterisk common data types asterisk int, char, float, double, short, long, unsigned int, size _t. Asterisk typecasting asterisk explicitly convert between types when necessary, int, my_float. Asterisk implicit conversions asterisk C performs implicit conversions, but be aware of potential data loss, example converting a float to an int. Asterisk size of operator asterisk use size of to determine the size of a data type or variable, in bytes. This is especially important when allocating memory. Key takeaways asterisk. Asterisk understand the size and range of each data type. Asterisk use explicit typecasting when necessary to avoid unexpected behavior or data loss. Asterisk be aware of implicit conversions and their potential consequences. Asterisk use size of to get the size of data types and variables. Asterisk be vigilant about integer overflow. It's a common source of bugs. For control flow, if, else, switch, for, while, do while. These are the building blocks of your program's logic. Asterisk if and else asterisk conditional execution. Asterisk switch asterisk multi-way branching based on the value of an expression. Remember to use break at the end of each case. Asterisk for asterisk iteration with a counter. Asterisk while asterisk iteration while a condition is true. Asterisk do while asterisk iteration at least once, then while a condition is true. Key takeaways asterisk. Asterisk use if else for simple conditional logic. Asterisk use switch for multi-way branching, remember break. Asterisk choose the appropriate loop, for, while, do while, based on your needs. Asterisk avoid infinite loops. Make sure your loop conditions eventually become false. 5 functions, modularizing your code. Functions are essential for code reusability and organization. Asterisk function declaration asterisk int add, int a, int b, declares a function named add that takes 2 integers as input and returns an integer. Also known as a function prototype. Asterisk function definition asterisk the actual implementation of the function. Asterisk function call asterisk result equals add, 5, 3, calls the add function with arguments 5 and 3. Asterisk return statement asterisk returns a value from the function. Asterisk function pointers asterisk pointers to functions, powerful for callbacks and dynamic dispatch. Key takeaways asterisk. Asterisk declare functions before using them, either with a prototype or the full definition. Asterisk use meaningful function names. Asterisk keep functions focused on a single task. Asterisk pass arguments by value or by reference, using pointers, as needed. Asterisk function pointers provide flexibility and power. 2. Advanced C concepts and best practices. 6 structures and unions. Structures and unions allow you to group related data together. Asterisk structures asterisk struct creates a composite data type. Members of a structure are stored contiguously in memory. Asterisk unions asterisk union allows multiple members to share the same memory location. Only one member can be active at a time. Asterisk pointers to structures asterisk use the dash operator to access members of a structure through a pointer. Key takeaways asterisk. Asterisk structures group related data together. Asterisk unions allow multiple members to share the same memory. Asterisk use dash to access structure members through pointers. Asterisk be mindful of memory alignment issues when using structures, compiler may insert padding. 7 Dynamic memory allocation, malloc, calloc, realloc, free. Crucial for handling data of variable size. Asterisk malloc asterisk allocates a block of memory of a specified size, in bytes. Returns a void asterisk, cast to the appropriate type. Asterisk calloc asterisk allocates a block of memory for an array of elements, initializing all bytes to 0. Asterisk realloc asterisk resizes a previously allocated block of memory. Asterisk free asterisk releases previously allocated memory back to the system. Always free what you malloc, calloc, or realloc. Asterisk memory leaks asterisk occur when you allocate memory but don't free it, causing the program to consume more and more memory. Asterisk dangling pointers, asterisk pointers that point to memory that has already been freed. Dereferenking a dangling pointer leads to undefined behavior, crashes, corruption, etc. Key takeaways asterisk. Asterisk use malloc to allocate memory. Asterisk use calloc to allocate memory and initialize it to 0. Asterisk use realloc to resize allocated memory. Asterisk always check the return value of malloc, calloc, and realloc to ensure the allocation succeeded. Asterisk always free the memory when you're finished with it to prevent memory leaks. Asterisk avoid dangling pointers, set pointers to null after freeing the memory they point to. 8. File I/O. Reading from and writing to files. Asterisk fopen asterisk opens a file. Takes a file name and a mode. Example R for read, W for write, A for append. Asterisk close asterisk closes a file. Asterisk print asterisk writes formatted output to a file. Asterisk scan asterisk reads formatted input from a file. Asterisk fgc asterisk reads a single character from a file. Asterisk fbuc asterisk writes a single character to a file. Asterisk gets asterisk reads a line from a file. Asterisk boots asterisk writes a string to a file. Asterisk fred asterisk reads a block of data from a file. Asterisk fright asterisk writes a block of data to a file. Asterisk fef asterisk checks for the end of file condition. Asterisk ferrer asterisk checks for file errors. Key takeaways asterisk. Asterisk use fopen to open files, specifying the mode. Asterisk always check the return value of fopen to ensure the file was opened successfully. Asterisk use fprint, fscan, fgets, fboots, fred, and fright for file I/O. Asterisk use fef to check for the end of a file. Asterisk use ferrer to check for file errors. Asterisk always close files when you're finished with them. Asterisk use purr to print error messages to str. 9. Preprocessor directives. Commands that are processed by the preprocessor before compilation. Asterisk includes the contents of another file, usually header files. Asterisk defines a macro, a symbolic constant or a code snippet. Asterisk if and def, else, and if asterisk conditional compilation. Asterisk pragma asterisk compiler specific directives. To compile with the debug macro defined, you typically use the D flag with your compiler. Key takeaways asterisk. Asterisk use include header files. Asterisk use define to define constants and macros. Be careful with macros, they're simple text substitution and can lead to unexpected behavior if not used carefully. Asterisk use if and def, else, and if for conditional compilation, example for debugging code. Asterisk use header files to declare functions, structures, and constants. This promotes code organization and reusability. 10. Error handling. Robust error handling is essential for writing reliable programs. Asterisk return values asterisk functions should return error codes to indicate success or failure, example 0 for success, non-zero for errors. Asterisk errno asterisk a global variable, defined in errno.h, that stores the last error code. Asterisk per asterisk prints an error message to str based on the value of errno. Asterisk assertions asterisk use assert, from assert.h, to check for conditions that should always be true. Assertions are typically disabled in release builds. Asterisk exception handling, not directly in C doesn't have built-in exception handling like C++ or Java. You have to simulate it using return codes, goto, and function pointers. Key takeaways asterisk. Asterisk functions should return error codes. Asterisk use errno and per to get and print error messages. Asterisk use assert to check for conditions that should always be true, for debugging. Asterisk handle errors gracefully and provide informative error messages to the user or log files. 3. Coding style and maintainability. 11. Code formatting and style. Consistent formatting makes your code easier to read and understand. Asterisk indentation. Asterisk use 4 spaces or 2 spaces for indentation, be consistent. Avoid tabs. Asterisk line length. Asterisk keep lines reasonably short, example 80 to 120 characters. Asterisk braces. Asterisk use consistent brace placement, example KNR style. Asterisk naming conventions. Asterisk use meaningful names for variables, functions, and structures. Follow a consistent naming convention, example camel case or snake underscore case. Asterisk comments. Asterisk write clear and concise comments to explain what your code does. Key takeaways. Asterisk choose a coding style and stick to it consistently. Asterisk use a code formatter, like Clang format, to automatically format your code. Asterisk write clear and concise comments. Asterisk readable code is maintainable code. 12. Avoid global variables, as much as possible. Global variables can make your code harder to reason about and debug. Asterisk encapsulation. Asterisk prefer to pass data as arguments to functions or encapsulate it within structures. Asterisk scope. Asterisk limit the scope of variables as much as possible. Key takeaways. Asterisk minimize the use of global variables. Asterisk pass data as arguments to functions. Asterisk use structures to group related data. Asterisk encapsulation makes your code more modular and easier to test. 13. Use const correctly. Const helps you prevent accidental modification of data. Asterisk const variables. Asterisk const int my underscore constant equals 10, prevents the value of my underscore constant from being changed. Asterisk const pointers. Asterisk const int asterisk ptr, a pointer to a const int, you can't modify the value pointed to. Int asterisk const ptr, a constant pointer to an int, you can't change the pointer itself. Const int asterisk const ptr, a constant pointer to a constant int. Asterisk const function arguments. Asterisk void my underscore function, const int asterisk arg, indicates that the function will not modify the value pointed to by arg. Key takeaways. Asterisk use const to prevent accidental modification of data. Asterisk use const to indicate that a function will not modify an argument. Asterisk const improves code safety and readability. 14. Write unit tests. Unit tests help you verify that your code works correctly. C doesn't have a built-in unit testing framework, but you can use libraries like check or write your own simple testing functions. Key takeaways. Asterisk write unit tests to verify that your code works correctly. Asterisk test individual functions and modules in isolation. Asterisk unit tests help you catch bugs early and make your code more robust. 15. Use version control, Git. Version control is essential for managing your code changes and collaborating with others. Asterisk Git asterisk a widely used distributed version control system. Asterisk repositories asterisk store your code and its history. Asterisk commits asterisk save changes to your repository. Asterisk branches asterisk allow you to work on different features or bug fixes in parallel. Asterisk pull requests asterisk used to merge changes from one branch into another. Basic Git workflow asterisk. 1. Git init, initialize a new Git repository. 2. Git add all files to the staging area. 3. Git commit initial commit the changes with a message. 4. Git branch feature /new feature, create a new branch. 5 Git checkout feature / new feature, switch to the new branch. 6 Make changes to your code. 7 Git add. 8 Git commit implemented new feature. 9 Git checkout main, switch back to the main branch. 10 Git merge feature / new feature, merge the changes from the feature branch into the